Kuliah fibro kajing tip nam tai kubar Laitkam te Laitkam kawai kupus po Neigrihms ki debit purely contractual basis nam ta ki project te kena project technician support 2 application are invited for recruitment for the following posts purely on temporary and contractual basis on the Indian Council of Medical Research funded project title the burden of hemoglobinopathies and iron overload in pregnant women of tribal dominant state of India. It is a multi-center study involving Rajendra Institute of Medical Science, RIMS, Ranchi, Jharkhand, Nankaman Pule itu. The date of interview kan direct interview, walk-in interview. Kan R3 August, Wednesday, Arjar Arpsa. Tesakan mau kibakwa apply katrek. Kajaka kada clinical teaching room, Department of Obstetrics, Gynecology, Neigrihms Shillong. Ka reporting time kada kandai baje step. Tek kita post kada project technician support 2 kada tak ka post ka essential qualification dependep ya class 12 science plus diploma in MLT lana DMLT plus 5 years experience in relevant fields sans name experience. Desirable qualification desirable mudna rakhine ki apply khamshim igine ki badap eka BSc lane MSc biochemistry lane life science BSc life science lane MSc biochemistry lane MSc life science cooperation limit kene du life host name experience work experience in diagnostic laboratory ELISA immunoassay test biochemical test working experience research project knowledge of computer application report preparation. Monthly salary total bro kalau mi 4,000 praspa 4,000 ka monthly salary ka praspa ka house rent allowance. Duration of project kan long arsnem te kan ne mut kan ne arsnem ada to ka arsnem mut lakut ada ek project mut lakut. Te le komno ban apply nam tagine ka dek interview to ma phiaban submit lupa shwa igi documents yung pi. Please email us at hbpathi@neigrihms@gmail.com before 17 August. Shap email ini email berdapai before 17 August suggesting your intention to apply for the post along with your curriculum vitae, date of birth, education, experience detail, and trial nang hiban to CV and degree certificate regular student. Scan relevant document are to be emailed to hbpathi@neigrihms@gmail.com. Take documents bro kita scan bisa send nak kata email. Take last date submission link bak email ke dekat 3 August. Post take debit purely contractual basis it will be engineering period of 6 months which will be renewed kumba kan de nai kin sa renew hadu arsnem ka project kan code. Shortlisted candidate will be intimidated and will be eligible for interview on 21st August. Mendala pila submit link bak email telala pilong eligible kin sa pentip link bak kata email hi ba pisen. Telala pilong eligible pila ban lek haka R4 August. Dal along one eligible pisara pada documents yang ki bring all the required document original plus self attested photocopies and one recent passport size baru original bagi self attested sara aku ni. Knowledge of local language is preferable. Decision of the selection panel will be final. TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. Those selected should make their own arrangement for accommodation. Okay. No HRA will be provided. Okay, the mobile number nam taki yung tip bakhamnya pilawan for any queries please contact Dr. Ananya Das. Tela ayo mobile number, ayo email ID yung tu ban send. Tela da pim sultu pilawan kali ne mobile number lepai khnai saulai ruwe rulai lai praar pilawan kontak nakam ta yung tip ki bakhamnya. Tangini yung tip kuliah